जहां अशोक सम्राट जैसा राजा था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहां डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहां हर 50 मील पर मजहब, पहरावा, खान पान बदल जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहां अपने भूगोल के पहले इस ब्राह्मण का भूगोल समझ आता था। A very fascinating good morning to one and all present here. Me myself Dushmeet Kaur standing in front of you to deliver a speech on this topic, connecting India geographically, economically and culturally. So by saying the topic has two aspects. The first aspect is connecting India to itself and the second aspect is connecting India globally. Coming forward to my first aspect, I personally feel that India is already a connected enough country. To support my statement, I would like to give an example. NASA has reported that the sound of rotation of Earth is Om, and we have built our culture on the base of geography of our nation. So this is how our culture is connected to geography of our nation. And when I talk about culture, how can I not talk about Char Dham, about Haji Ali Dargah, about Golden Temple and about beautiful churches in Goa. These heritage tourism are producing and generating huge amount of revenue, which is initially helping to build the economy of our nation. So this is how our culture is connected to economy of our nation. Now how economy is connected to geography of our nation? Once we start building a good economy, once we start knowing what a good economy means, we would not have only the literates, we would also have educated candidates in our nation, which will help in the betterment of our nation and to take care of our geography. So this is how our India is connected to itself. Coming forward to my second aspect, how India is connected to other countries. Well, we all know that India is rich in resources, cultural land and God knows what not. And you, my dear people, are the youth of this nation. And that is why superpowers like US wants to invest in us on our land. When they come to us, they bring huge amount of geographical interest and economical profits for our nation. So this is how our India is connected to other countries, geographically and economically. Now, after this what happens? A change and exchange of culture happens. We adapt their culture, they adapt our culture. So this is how our India is connected to other countries, geographically, economically and culturally. When I think about the people that drink water from the rivers of West Bengal and the people that enjoy monsoon that comes from the Mumbai, and we have the second largest connection of roads in the whole world. All I have to say is, my dear friends, that India is already a connected enough country and now we are trying to connect with you all to be active towards our government, to be active towards our people and to hold our hands together. To be active towards our government and to show the world that India is already a connected enough country and now we are trying to connect with you all. We are trying to bridge the gap between our people and to show the world that India is already a connected enough country to build love, to build peace. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.